an asthmatic. My daughter is an asthmatic. My husband is a chain smoker. So, we were very, very scared and very apprehensive. And we just used the oils blindfolded, we just used them. My cousin called me and told me about the oils. And it just so happened, that she called at the time we got our reports. And she said, Vibha, just use these oils, trust me and use them. And I just blindly trusted her and I called for Roshni for the oils. And I was very lucky. They kept supplying me the oils in spite of lockdowns, nothing moving. But, Roshni just supplied me the oils and we just used it. I mean, she said, use it 6 times a day. We used it 6 times a day. Every 2 hours we were using them. And I feel it just kept us going. And, it didn't let us go into have any secondary reactions where we saw everybody around us, somebody slipping, not having oxygen, oxygen going less. And despite this 2 hours, they said, use it, we used it. All 3 of us and my health, all 4 of us. And I'm glad we did because we came out very well. See, I had the oils because my husband came down with it first. And the day we came to know, we got the oils and we started using them. I think with Bharat, we started using them from day 3. 3 we came to know and we started using them. And by the time I came down, we had already started using them before I came down with it, two days prior to the time I came down with it. My symptoms were fever, a lot of body ache. There were days in the middle when I was very badly out. I mean, could barely raise my head. I was totally zonked out. Didn't know what was happening. But I mean, all I know is I was using the oils every 2 hours. That's all it was like clockwork. We had to do it. And I didn't think. I mean, it was somebody was out there was reaching out, calling me every day, Parveen Didi was calling me every day and saying, Beta, are you using them? There were days I couldn't even come to the phone. I was so badly out. But, I knew she was calling my husband and telling him, use the oils. And we were just doing it, because there's somebody looking out for you and telling you do something. I know she had good intentions in her heart. And that just came through and I was just blindfoldedly using that. CT count was pretty low. It was 10, 12. The first few days were very bad. I was very badly out. And our entire family, not just 4 of us, my husband's side, the entire family came down with it. And unfortunately, those were very tough days because we lost my brother-in-law. And we were just, all of us, I think, there's a lot of fear. Everybody was scared. And we were just using the oils. And I think from day, I had fever for about 6 days. 6 to 7 days. After that, my fever went away. I did not have any major asthma attack during. I think body aches started again by 4th, 5th day. I did not have any throat ache. I did not have a cough. Mild, maybe a very mild cough. I would really recommend these Ayurveda oils. And I mean, I felt protected. I felt that somebody out there was protecting me. Something was protecting me. And, I would recommend these oils totally. Anybody who comes down with COVID, please take them. Stay protected because, maybe what happens is it doesn't let it go inside. COVID is such a precarious disease. I mean, illness. You don't know. In one day, things change. It just takes one day to change the things, and people are going into lung issues, major lung issues, breathing problems, oxygen going down, and we all stayed protected. Wholeheartedly say Anybody getting COVID, please just take it from day one. Stay protected, stay well. It's so important, so important. Okay, we were using 3 oils: Whiff, Sudarshan, and Elixir. 3 oils. Just trust them and take the oils. Just trust. Sometimes I would say don't question. Just take it. आंख बंद करके ले लो.